Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a bubble curling wand. First, make sure your hair is completely dry and free of tangles. This ensures even heat distribution and prevents damage. Next, generously apply a high-quality heat protectant from roots to ends. This crucial step shields your hair from the wand's heat, which can reach up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, section your hair into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces, securing them with clips. Now let's get to the curling. Hold your bubble wand vertically, with the bubble design pointing away from your face. Take one of your prepared hair sections and wrap it around the wand, ensuring the hair fits snugly into the bubbles or grooves. This unique design helps create those distinct, bouncy curls. Hold the hair in place for about 5 to 10 seconds, depending on your hair type and desired curl intensity. Then, carefully release the curl, letting it fall naturally. Once you've curled all your sections, the next step is crucial for longevity. Resist the urge to touch or brush your curls immediately. Let them cool down completely for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This cooling period allows the curl to set and hold its shape. After cooling, gently run your fingers through your hair to separate the curls, creating a softer, more voluminous appearance. Finally, mist your entire style with a flexible hold hairspray to ensure your beautiful bubble curls last all day. Here are a few extra tips for achieving perfect bubble curls every time. Consider the size of your wand. A smaller barrel creates tighter curls, while a larger one yields looser waves. For a more natural, less uniform look, alternate the direction you wrap your hair around the wand. Curl some sections towards your face and others away. Remember to clean your wand regularly with a damp cloth to remove product buildup, ensuring optimal performance and a longer lifespan for your tool. Enjoy your gorgeous, bouncy curls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.